Oh god, it's tied to the ladder.
That's pretty funny.
What you got there?
I got a fat tire beer and a salmon snack.
What is on your head? Oh boy. You look ridiculous. You gonna wear that all the way to Japan? Alright, so we just had a quick burger and a beer and some fries at, where are we? Washington.
Washington, D.C.
Washington, D.C. Got these awesome hats by a lovely bartender, just because Teresa had a beer shirt on. Yeah. The plane has been delayed because there's no captain to fly the plane. So we're stuck here amongst all these people.
Our flight got delayed for about 3 hours. We were scheduled to leave at 1 o'clock. Now it's 4 o'clock, which means we're probably not going to make our connecting flight. Fortunately, United has reserved a spot for another flight departing a little later for Okinawa, so hopefully we get there eventually. We're going back to have some more beer.
I'm gonna go see the nice bartender that gave me this lovely hat.
Yeah, so went to drink some beer and almost missed the flight.
Yeah, we first time I've actually gotten paid in an airport to make the flight. We're like the last 3 people on board the plane, but we made it. Good.
So we made it to Tokyo tonight. We were supposed to make it to Okinawa. However, we were missing a pilot at Washington, D.C. He never showed up, and so we were stuck at the airport for an extra 3 hours, and we missed our connection flight to Okinawa. So we have one coming up tomorrow. We're in a tiny little, not very impressive hotel.
Not very impressive. Like, come on, they have a separate room for the toilet.
They do have a separate room for the toilet. And a meal voucher. We'll see if that's any good. I think so. I looked at some pictures. It looked pretty good. We ended up opting for the casual dining restaurant. Nick already ate all of his stuff, basically, but it's pretty good. It's interesting flavor combinations.
There's 2 flavors. There was orange and there was grapefruit. And I pointed and she's like, she didn't know which one it was.
There's pearl-like things on it.
The balls. I got a coffee one. Whoa.
It's very watery jelly.
It's like Jello.
What'd you get?
I got a coffee one.
How is it?
It's really good.
Yeah?
Like, really coffee flavor.
I haven't tried mine yet. I'm having trouble getting it on the...
Yeah, what are you using there?
I don't know. This is a...
It's a...
spatula?
Cappuccino. Tastes... I don't know what kind of animal this milk came from, but it tastes interesting.
What kind of animal that milk came from?
Yeah, I don't know. It's got an odd...
Nick's trying to type an email to the car rental company right now.
Apparently I didn't read the directions first. These directions how to use the keyboard, where all the buttons are. That's great. Oh boy. Sorry.
Nick and I are trying to find an ATM so that we can go test out the beer vending machine in our hotel.
I got no yen. Got no yen.
We already had to double back because Nick led us the wrong way.
Oh, I didn't go the right way.
Apparently he can't read a map if there isn't service.
Curb. 7-Eleven.
That is a 7-Eleven. We're heading for it. We got money.
2 bills.
I need to break that. I don't think the vending machine's gonna take that.
It's a little squishy. I think it's an energy bar. It's a Japanese energy hot dog.
That does not look appealing. But some of this stuff looks like it might be edible.
I know what this is.
I'm going with what I believe is dried octopus.
What are you gonna get?
I'm gonna get a Sapporo something or other.
Sapporo with lychee nuts?
I don't know what it is, but yes. I think that one's out.
How do you know?
Because all of them turn red light except for these that say,
Say what?
I don't know. It's out.
That's the out symbol, so can you get your money back? Alright, round 2.
I got a beer.
What'd you get?
I got a something lime.
What about me?
You want a lemon?
No. Give me the lager, the Kirin lager, the small one.
Ooh, look, it's a textured can.
What do you mean texture? Whoa, fancy. All right.
It's a Kirin lager.
Yeah, the red one. Yeah.
That's 400.
Hey, that's like 100 yen.
That was not.
Was that not shaken? Because that sounded like it might be shaken.
It was shaken, not stirred. Oh, it does have a little handle that brings it down.
Oh yeah. Yeah, nice.
Big machines for beer.
No.
Oh, come on. This is like child hazard.
No, seriously. There's no warning signs. Must be 21 or older, 18 or whatever.
No, you can just come in here and buy this shit.
And they're conveniently placed at perfect height for a child. All right, honey. Whoa.
My bottle shook.
Cheers.
Whoa. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to drink this.
You know what this reminds me of? Keystone Ice. Keystone?
This is like Smirnoff Ice.
Try mine.
Okay, vending machine beer, bad idea.
Ooh! Oh!
Yeah, doesn't that stink?
It's so sweet. It tastes good.
It's too sweet. I don't like it with either of them.
Oh, that's a fail on that.
I got a Coke can though. Oh wait, I have snacks.
Got snack? Oh, I want a Pocky.
You don't want to try it octopus?
No.
I'm assuming you can just eat this, right?
It's in a snack pack. Oh, look, you can write on the back of it, "Dear Teresa, I love you," from Nick. If you want to give it as a gift.
Ah!
And then how's your octopus eat?